Hey Mr. Terrell, it is Chloe Hopkins here in your 4th period, and I will be teaching you guys about rocks, and there's 3 different types of rocks. 3. There's sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, and metamorphic rocks. I'll be teaching you guys all about those 3 different types of rocks, and the first rock I will be teaching you is the igneous rock, so let's get on to learning about the igneous rock. Okay, so the igneous rock is formed by cooling and solidification of lava and magma. There's more than 700 different types of igneous rocks. Granite is one of them, and granite is like a really well-known igneous rock. Igneous rocks are formed either above the Earth's surface where we are or below. And granite is actually formed below, but lots of other types are formed above. So now we're going to be talking about metamorphic rocks. So metamorphic rocks, very interesting rocks. These rocks are formed under the surface of the Earth. They usually have ribbon-like layers. They also may have shiny crystals in them. They are formed by minerals growing together slowly over time. So now since you know about 2 of the different rocks, which is metamorphic, yes, you have learned about metamorphic, and igneous, now it's time for the last rock, sedimentary. So, let's get started. Sedimentary rocks are formed from particles like pebbles, shells, and sand. Those particles are called sediments, and that kind of makes sense because sediment and sedimentary. Well, anyways, the sediment gradually increases in layers, which means it builds up over time. The sediment becomes rock whenever it's all layered up and hardened, and sedimentary rocks are usually soft and can crumble very easily, and this type of rocks is mostly the only type of rock containing fossils, which is kind of interesting too. Okay, so sedimentary rocks are formed from, they're formed from like lots of things, like I told you before, sediments, and they form, where do they form? They form pretty much they only form above the Earth's surface, unlike some other ones, like igneous rock, because igneous can form either above their surface or below their surface. And the metamorphic rock is actually formed under pressure. So, if you put pressure on a rock, it turns into a metamorphic rock. Kidding, that is not right logic, but I'm just telling you guys that metamorphic rocks are formed under pressure. But if you put pressure on a rock, it's not going to change it to a metamorphic rock. That's kind of stupid. So don't do that, because it will not change it to a metamorphic rock if you try to put pressure on it. Logic. So think. Okay, and so that's pretty much it about where they are formed and how they are formed. And I kind of told you guys a little brief introduction about each little rock. So now I will give you a couple examples of each. Granite is an igneous rock. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. And an example of the metamorphic rock is marble. So the little marbles that you used to play with when you were little, if they were actually made of marble, it's actually a metamorphic rock. So I hope you guys liked my quick little brief video about rocks and the 3 different types of rocks. 3. And that's all I've got to say, but catch you later on Chloe's awesome show about rocks. These short clips to see my bloopers from the making of this video. some of them I'm not very proud of. Like, why did I do that? Like, I didn't mean to, but just guys, I hope you like the metamorphic. What am I doing? Dancing? Oh, guys. The sediment rocks are made of sedimentary. Other way around, Chloe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.